Hello, Lindsay here with Senior Joy Box. All right, today we're going to dive into the December box. So you have until the end of November to order this and get it in time for Christmas. So this would be an awesome gift to show up at your loved one's doorstep for Christmas, and then the gift just keeps on going. All right, so the December box. Pretty amazing. I am just loving what's in here. You get $124 of retail value for $49.95. All right, first, my favorite item. It is a Manuka Health honey bag or Manuka Health bag, cosmetic bag. Use this for traveling, for cosmetics. It is padded, really great quality, nice and big too. I've been using mine for a little while and I just think it's a great cosmetic bag. What's better is what's even inside of it. This is a Manuka Health honey. So this is a daily supplement type of honey. It's really creamy. It is delicious. You're going to want more than the teaspoon that they recommend. But you can also put this in your coffee, put this in your tea, and it's really great for immunity, for gut health, for just overall wellness and well-being. Everybody can use a little bit of immunity help over the winter time. So some Manuka Health honey. Next is our simmer kit. Have you ever used a simmer kit? Oh my gosh, it is wonderful. Especially for Christmas. You put this on top of the stove and it smells like Christmas morning when all day long. It's really fantastic. This can last a couple days. Put some water on a stovetop and put your simmer kit in there. All right. The next thing is this beautiful mug that has a gentle reminder of a nice message on it. So you gifting it to them when they're drinking their tea out of this mug, they're going to be thinking about you and how wonderful you are for sending this box to them. This one says, take good care of yourself. Other ones say, I love you. So some really great mugs there from people I loved. And then inside, they get a whole bunch of these tea drops. This is a new way to be drinking tea. It has a little bit of sweetener in it, but natural. And like this one is a strawberry matcha green tea, naturally sweetened regular tea drops. So you don't have to steep your tea. You just drop this into your hot water and it is good to go. Put a little bit of that Manuka Health honey in there. Amazing. So a really great whole winter package here. Great for Christmas. I know your loved one is going to really enjoy it. Yeah, what a great Christmas present. So thank you so much for checking this out. Order by the end of November. Get it in time for Christmas. Thank you so much.